That's it.
What are you doing here? Do you know that Sunday is Father's Day?
Just listen to me.
You know? Yeah. Sunday is Father's Day.
You're always busy.
What are they planning for you as a father? Your family?
Even now that I'm here, instead of you listening to me, you're still
Sorry for that.
Yes, I know it's Father's Day.
Virtually Women's Day, you know how, Mother's Day, you know how your wife would have been worrying you, right?
No, they don't have anything. They've not planned anything for me.
And when it comes to Father's Day, nothing did you.
Yeah, if it to be.
Even yourself, you are
Women's
always.
Day, they would have done something for themselves. They would have started
Yeah.
reminding me.
That's
Maybe the other time,
next
Father's
Sunday
Day,
is
they
Father's Day.
reminded
If
me.
not that I'm reminding you now.
Valentine's Day,
You'll be
they
able to.
reminded me. But my day,
You'll be
Father's
aware.
Day, oh, nothing. Oh, maybe
You
they're
are
going
this Sunday is Father's Day.
Maybe plans
I know
and
you're
surprise. I
not.
don't actually know.
Even if you are not aware,
Yeah.
it's Father's Day, so how do you expect your wife to be aware?
You know, right?
Man,
You are not aware. You don't even know.
you see, they are not even aware.
Wait, I forgot
that it's Father's
that
Day.
even this coming week. It's
You're
not
not
aware.
aware.
Reminded me. I wouldn't be able to
That's sad.
to know.
You want your wife, women to be
Yeah,
aware.
thank you for reminding me.
Oh, man.
Just want to keep you company. It's good to sit by you, you know. That's my chin brother. Yeah, good to sit by you. Hi fans! Please make sure you subscribe, huh? Yeah, we'll be doing a lot of collaboration, two of us. It's my chin brother. Yeah, he's a priest now, huh? I'm a family man. You are a priest. Why are you even called father? That's for another day. Don't worry you, don't worry. Please try as much as possible to women, please. Remember, Sunday is Father's Day, eh? That's said by father. It's Father's Day, Sunday. Make sure you do something for your husband. Love her, show some love on Father's Day, eh? We love you. Do something, surprise us on Father's Day. We love that. Father, you don't know it. Show love. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. We love you.